So, hello Ecosummit 2021. I'm really happy to be here. Thank you, Jan, again for giving me the opportunity. Good news first, I'm the last speaker before the lunch break, so I only need 5 more minutes of your attention. Who am I and what are we doing? So, my name is Axel Kalisch. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Ben Fleet Services. And why am I here? It's not working again? Yeah. So we just started to look for our Series B funding. We're looking for 10 million. What for? To actually make shared mobility work. Who am I to say so? So I brought some pictures that we collected over the last years. Probably there's a lot of shared mobility users in this room right now. I'm a heavy user as well. And I think a lot of people have already experienced such situations. What am I addressing here? So, shared mobility is great. It's sustainable, it's flexible, and hopefully it helps us to get out this mass of cars out of our cities. But it can only be a sustainable solution if it's sustainable for all stakeholders. And currently, the mobility providers are facing all the same challenge. And the same challenge is to reduce downtime and idle time, to maximize usage, and to maximize their revenue. Only this way they can become profitable. And we think that it's totally inefficient that every mobility provider is dealing with the same problem of getting their fleets 100% fleet ready. And we think that needs a centralized player to deal with this complex task of on-street operations. And that's us. So, we set ourselves the goal to enable the mobility of the future by ensuring 100% fleet readiness. How are we doing so? First of all, let's start basic. We have hands-on service offering that's on demand and on-site, like cleaning, relocation, plugging of batteries of scooters, and we operate all over Germany, in Austria, and the Netherlands. But I give it a little outlook. We're planning to expand all over Europe very soon. So what is actually our solution? We are offering a digitized and scalable full service offering to keep the mobility fleets ready to be used. Just look at this map. The current situation is that all the mobility providers are driving the same routes through the city. That's so inefficient. With our dynamic service zones, we're basically combining the tickets, combining the tasks, and thereby massively reducing the travel distances, but also having a really on-demand, flexible, fast service offering. So you think we're only a service company, but there is a tech part behind it to actually reach our vision of 100% fleet readiness. So today we are solving the fleet operators' problems with digital processes. So we have tech-enabled processes that allow for individual solutions, and our API integration already gives us a lot of automation. But in the future, we are processing the data, the fulfillment data, and also the vehicle usage data to work on a predictive maintenance, and we're aiming at a subscription-based model to really guarantee mobility providers 100% fleet readiness and take one of their biggest challenges off their table. So, what have we achieved so far? We generated a 340% year-on-year growth last year. We are looking at a tenfold of revenue in the next 3 years, and we aim at a really conservative, in my eyes, 100 million revenues in 2026. Last but not least, also we have a huge contribution to the sustainable work because we make shared mobility actually work. We deliver a huge contribution because of our efficient routing. We have a really fair employee treatment, and our waterless cleaning technology is saving thousands and thousands of liters of water every month. So if you want to take part in a sustainable success story and help us with our next funding round, I'll be here the rest of the day and would be really happy to meet, to exchange, and chat. Thank you so much. Enjoy your lunch.